If you want to permanently delete a Whop group community, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a quick and simple way. Whether you're cleaning up old products, shutting down a community, or just removing something you no longer need, I'll show you how to do it safely from your Whop dashboard. And before we begin, if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is open your Whop dashboard and make sure you're inside the correct business account. This part matters because if you manage more than one business, you want to be certain you're deleting the right community from the right workspace. At the top left of the screen, you should see a selection modal. Click that and verify that the correct business is selected before you continue. Once you've confirmed you're in the right place, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. Scroll down until you find Products, then click on it. This will take you to the Product Management area, where all of your Whop products are listed, including your group community. Now, on the Products page, find the specific group community product that you want to delete. Take a moment to double-check the name so you don't remove the wrong one. When you've located it, move to the far right side of that product's row. There you'll see the three dots menu, also shown as the ellipsis icon. Click that menu to open the available actions. From the drop-down list, select Delete. Whop will then show you a confirmation pop-up warning you that this action will permanently remove the product from your catalog. This is the final chance to stop if you're not completely sure. If you want to go ahead, confirm the action. Once you confirm, Whop will permanently delete the group community product. After that, it will no longer appear in your products list and it will be removed from your catalog. That's why it's important to be certain before clicking confirm. Because this is not just a temporary hide option, this is a full deletion. So to recap, go to your Whop dashboard, make sure the correct business is selected, click Products in the left menu, find your group community product, open the three dots menu, choose Delete and confirm the warning to permanently remove it. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech guides. And if you want more Whop tutorials, drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.